Pass me my gun. Oh my gosh, it has a scope. Look through the scope. Look, I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
Oh, nice.
Yo, look at all the people up there. No recruits, right? Come on down. Right, so welcome back to Theme Park Extreme. Today we are doing zombie hunt. This is not my first run through, but we're gonna get a sick run through. Courageous Citizens Recruitment. My name is Jackson, Action Jackson, and you lot are in for a treat because you've just been paired up with an absolute zombie hunting leggings. Now, first we're gonna need to do a warm up, all right? We're gonna do a few star jumps after 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cool, we're done, let's move on. I need you lot to line up here facing those yellow boxes. I need you to shoot at the yellow target, doing your coolest zombie hunting poses, alright? Very nice. Remember, it's not about how many zombies you kill, it's about how good you look doing it. Right, I need to give you the rundown, form up on me. So the CCR, we've got most of this zombie invasion under control, but you've run into a few problem zombies. Each zombie has a weak spot, a few shots, and it will go down. But the dead don't stay down for long, so you need to get yourselves out of there pronto, all right? Through these flaps behind me, there are 6 unfortunate souls, 6 targets, and 6 opportunities to look the bee's knees. Now, if you head on straight through these flaps, you can begin your hunt, all right? You see my siblings, tell them I said hi. Happy hunting.
Come on. It will summon one of us. Remember, if you see any of my siblings, tell them I said hi.
The gun's making a really weird noise. Sweet. Right. Oh, what was that? Did you fart, Ryan?
No, want me?
Put your guns up!
Let's find out, shall we?
Moving doors.
Tagged. Deactivate.
Not yet, director.
Deactivated already.
Take one. Coming to you live from Thorpe Park Movie Studios as I prepare to bring your favorite horror movies to glorious life in this production of Fright Nights. Get ready to roll. Lights, camera, action.
This is so sick.
I'm not going out the back, I hate that too, so I'm not joking.
There's the boyfriend.
The boyfriend, the Italian. Hello. Who you doing that?
Too good. Just too good, lads. Here we go. You see that box over there? Too good. Right, here we go.
Don't shoot.
Oh,
You're from the CCR, right?
yeah.
Oh, thank Christ, you're not going to believe what's happened there. All my squad, gone.
Whoa.
All right, don't worry, I've just gone down to Finn's.
Oh,
Have a pint and wait for this all to blow over.
Stella. No?
Fosters.
Oh, Fosters.
Keep down, stay quiet. Do you hear that? That sounds like the old Canada Creek railway line. That's funny, I thought that was experiencing a 7-year delay. I suppose that's the norm now these days. It's like just a railway joke. Keep moving down this way. Hold up, this is the CCR checkpoint. I'm going to see if I can get us directions. Excuse me, hello? Shoot it! He said that way. Keep moving to the axis.
Right, we're at the grand finale. Zombie Hunt is definitely an amazing experience. It's different, it's unique, and it's just, I don't know, something different to do at Thorpe Park. Definitely not scary, but it's borderline scary. It's
Good for the family.
and it is great for families. Yeah, I mean, if like someone's underage, then that's fine. But like, still, I prefer to do. I would recommend over 10, just because of the zombie theming. But apart from that, it is totally sick. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and don't forget to share this video. And yeah, we will see you in the next video.
I'm just in love with the person I used to be.